Ever wondered why having a reliable and feature-packed action camera is essential for your adventurous life? High-resolution videos, crystal-clear images, extended battery life, waterproofing, and advanced features transform memories into masterpieces. The Drift Ghost XL Pro 4K Plus HD Sports Action Camera is an ideal choice for those in search of such a reliable action camera. The Drift Ghost XL Pro 4K Plus HD Sports Action Camera comes with a plethora of features that make it stand out from the crowd. It boasts an extreme battery life, giving you up to 7 hours in 1080p mode or 4.5 hours in 4K UHD mode. Ideal for those long motorcycle journeys or extended recording sessions where stopping to recharge just isn't an option. The Ghost XL Pro doesn't compromise on quality either. It's capable of capturing high-resolution 4K videos and crystal-clear images up to 12 megapixels. With its IPX7 waterproof rating, this camera is ready for anything, rain or shine, and can even be submerged up to 1 meter. The device's dash cam mode makes it the perfect motorcycle dash cam, while its 4K video lapse feature lets you create fast-motion videos of your journeys. Its flashback video tagging feature allows you to save only the important footage, while its 300-degree rotatable lens ensures you always get the perfect shot. The Ghost XL Pro also comes with image stabilization for smooth video capture, clone mode for controlling up to 10 cameras simultaneously, and the ability to live stream directly to YouTube using the Drift Life app. With all these features, the Drift Ghost XL Pro 4K Plus HD Sports Action Camera is a powerhouse of functionality, making it the perfect companion for your adventurous pursuits. To sum it all up, the Drift Ghost XL Pro 4K Plus HD Sports Action Camera offers an impressive array of features that cater to every adventurer's needs. From its extreme battery life and high-resolution video capture to its waterproof capabilities and innovative dash cam mode, this camera has it all. Add to that the 300-degree rotatable lens, image stabilization, and the ability to live stream your adventures. It's clear that this camera is a game changer. So if you're in the market for an action camera that delivers on all fronts, the Drift Ghost XL Pro 4K Plus HD Sports Action Camera is the way to go.